It's tofu time! Hi there and welcome back! Today we're going to stir fry some tofu with ground pork. Let's go! For the ingredients, we need 500 grams of tofu, 300 grams of minced pork, some pepper, followed by sugar, then chicken powder. And guess what? We need oyster sauce, some chili oil, and sesame oil. Finally, we need some ginger, garlic, and green onions, and no fish sauce. Begin by cutting the tofu into small cubes, just like that. Then chop the green onions. Keep the roots, After that, chop the onion roots, garlic, and ginger, just like that. Easy, yes, and fast. In a cup, mix together 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of chili oil, then 1 tablespoon of chicken powder, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of sugar, then half teaspoon of sesame oil. Finally, half a cup of water. Then mix it well. Next, in a hot pan, add some cooking oil. Then add the chopped ginger, garlic, and onion. Fry until it turns golden brown. Then add the ground meat. Stir fry until the meat is cooked, like this. Now add the sauce. Then add the tofu. Gently stir it. You don't want to break the tofu. Cook it for 5 more minutes. And voila! Eat this with a nice bowl of rice. Yum yum yum.